Red flag means that bathing is prohibited. Always follow instructions and safety precautions. Don't go into the water where bathing is prohibited. Go to beaches with lifeguard presence and follow their instructions. Pay attention to the flags and warning signs. Green, good conditions for bathing. Yellow, be careful and go in up to waist deep. Red, bathing is prohibited. This is a message from the Canary Islands Government. The Canary Islands waters, safety first.
112, emergencias, dígame.